Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming where the save is stored. Cartridges usually hold saves, while some homebrew use internal memory. Power off, insert the cartridge firmly, and turn the DS on. Navigate directly to the game's options or save/load screen. Do not launch a save state manager first. Once there, locate the save or delete option. Many titles hide it under settings or system. This step matters because deleting the wrong memory can't be undone, so make sure you're in the correct game and save slot before proceeding. You now perform the deletion. Select the game's delete save, erase, or format command. Press the confirmation button the game requests, often a to select and a second confirmation like start or B, to prevent accidental erasure. For cheat or flashcart users, use the cartridge menu to delete saves or format the cartridge. Those tools may require the flashcart's built-in utility. Make sure to back up first using a save backup tool or a flashcart transfer, because once the DS overwrites or erases you finish by restarting the DS and reloading the game to confirm the save is gone. Most games start with a new file or show an empty save slot. If the old save still appears, power off, remove the cartridge, wait a few seconds, and reinsert. Sometimes the cartridge needs a receipt. If deletion failed or the file seems corrupted, restore from a backup you made earlier using your flashcart or PC tool. If you didn't back up, try another delete attempt. Otherwise, the save may be permanently lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.